Hey, what's up? What's going on, guys? Dan here today again with a new video. So, I think today I need to openly show my development that I've been doing on Speedify. Speedify is just kind of an idea which was derived from Amazon, or if you're in Uganda, we have a website also called Jumia, where people buy products and sell things, and you can check prices of things and to just give you overview of how much this product is sold. So I just thought of that. I said, okay, let me try to do something similar like that and clone what Jumia and Amazon is trying to do. So I'm developing a site called Speedify. I call it Speedify. So I'm trying to announce it today. I'm just trying to open it openly to people to see even. I don't know if I'm going to host it where people use it, but it's just for skills to so that it's doable to do something like that. Okay, let me just navigate to my desktop and to the folder where I host this thing, and I'm just going to go to desktop and list my things. It's called an e-commerce site, and then I'm going to go to e-commerce site. Then I'm right now in e-commerce. If I list the things of e-commerce, I want to activate my virtual environment. So activating virtual environment, I need to go to the virtual environment that I call it inf and script. I'm going to go inside to script, and then I'm activating my virtual environment. So you saw dot activate. That's how we activate it. If you're using dashboard, Git power. If you use PowerShell, you just say inf script activate it. But if you're doing it in a git bash, so that's how it's activated. So yeah, so you can see my virtual environment is activated. It shows the virtual environment and put it in a bracket. So yeah, so I'm going to get out of virtual environment. Like I want to get out of virtual environment, then still get out, then out of virtual environment, but still my virtual environment is still running, it's activated. So this is where my project is. I call it Speed Commerce. The project name. So inside Speed Commerce, now you can see I have manage.py file. This is a file that makes you to run the server of this in development. So I'm going to put it and just run my run server command. So what I'm doing is just say python manage.py run server. Yeah, run server. So my server should be running. Yeah, my server is running. So I want to get a new tab and put it here in the site that I saw how the site is looking like. Let's see here. This is how it is. This is how the site is looking like. So far it has reached this level, but we have not done great things like logging in, logging out. I've not done that. But let me just make my server running and go to the code. Let me show you people the code somehow. So this is the code. This is the source code. This is the HTML files, and I've put everything in home, and even the product HTML files. I've put them here and check out. But there's still a lot to do with this. I've not finished so much, but I'm trying to announce to people like. If you're interested also learning skills like this, I'm running this YouTube channel called Speed Code. I can be teaching people how to do software development, especially in Python, programming language Python with Django. If you're interested in learning web development skills, so that's how it is. If you check this, I'm not going to explain all these things right now because this is like a whole different thing if someone is to explain them. Okay, but my target was just to show you what is coming up, and you see here it's not fully working like the way I wanted, but the whole idea is from Amazon or kind of Jumia for those people who live in Africa and East Africa. The idea is from the Jumia kind of thing, so e-commerce side. So you can see the product is here, the products. But let me just do one thing. let me add one thing. I'm gonna go to the admin side, like what the admin side have added here. You can see in the future, if we manage to host this online for people to use publicly, I would like to see many users, millions of people using this. Okay, so what I'm doing is I just want to add a new product. Let me say nice sat, something like that. I have no idea how much so it would be. Let me just say $50. Let's put $65 maybe, and I'm doing this kind of not negatively, this kind of 5, say 10. Okay, what I'm doing, I just need to add 10 maybe, somehow like that. Prescribe, I want a description. I can give a description about the t-shirt, which I don't want to do. Anyway, let me say it is nice. It is nice. So just funny thing like that. Then category of this is it's just under category of t-shirts. So just come up with different categories. Then I want to choose an image. I don't have any image that I put. I have these images that I can use, but let me just use any image of mine. This is my image. Let me just use this one. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to save it. You can see it is there already in database. The price is 65 and this kind of that, and this category of SAT is a nice one, and an image. But if we go to the site and see whether if that thing's added, so you can see here it's added. But the funny thing which I've done not correct here is if the site here is when you add product, it's just adding on the bottom. It's supposed to be top here. Those are things which will be fixed with time, like when you're doing this, because I'm just trying to show guys what we're doing here. Okay, thanks so much guys. If you like this video, consider to subscribe and you will see more of this, because we're going to run more teaching in this channel. If you're interested, my name is Diane Kennedy. Please subscribe. I'm here on Speed Code teaching you how to program. If you're interested in learning software engineering, this is the right channel for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.